Hi guys, today I'm back with another resin mold test out because I've got some extra resin left over from my previous project. So this one is beads. It is a bead mold. I don't know if it's fully round or if it's just, we'll find out. So I'm just going to fill up this mold with the leftover resin that I have from last week's job, which is a colour called Champagne from Glitter Overload. It is a goldy champagne colour. So I'm just going to try and carefully fill these molds up. We'll see how they turn out. Ooh. Nothing like making a mess. Okay, I'm just going to tap them down a bit and then I will clear off the excess off the top there and I'll let them cure for 48 hours and we'll come back for the unmolding. Okay, it has been 48 hours. We'll see if these have turned out. I don't know. It's the first time I've used a bead mold before. Well, there you go. Look at that. So you could use that to thread your bead through. Wow, look at that. And that gold glitter mix really pops. Well, if you're looking for a round bead mold, give this one a go, guys, because they have turned out really, really pretty. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and catch me next time with some more resin mold testing. Bye, guys.